Alright fellas, today got a little something from a place called Tooltopia. And if you haven't heard of it, you gotta check them out. Every now and again they have killer deals. And by killer, I mean they're just killer. So killer, a matter of fact, I didn't need any of this stuff really, but I bought it. That's how killer the prices were. Alright, that's it. You see it right there. KT International. It is a slide hammer set, yes. Now, nope, I had one come loose there. A little list of what you're supposed to have in here. And, you know, part numbers to replace stuff if you break it or lose it. Gonna have a slide hammer video coming up here before too long, because I have some stuff for you guys to be on the lookout for. Yeah, this guy right here, it was $15.74. That's right, $15.74. You can't. It's a great little kit. I mean, really, how often do you use a slide hammer? It's not very often. Matter of fact, I've used mine maybe a dozen times. That's it. Oh look, they even put their name on it. Oh my god, it says made in Taiwan. So there you go, made in Taiwan. I'd have never guessed. Nice little kit, 16 bucks. Love it so much, I bought two. See, two. Now I don't know if that deal is still live right now. I'm gonna doubt it, because it's been a couple of weeks since I got those. But I'll leave a link to where I found it there on Tooltopia. If not, I'll put a couple of different ones from Amazon down in the links. And this other thing that I thought was quite interesting, and it just called to me. Something that I just couldn't pass up. Yep, you read that right. Knox tools. They did have a few different kits there. This is Tooltopia's own brand name tools. This right here, 20-piece kit. It was 50 bucks. And it's all 1/2 inch, shallow impact, 3/8 all the way up to 1.5 inch. Of course, it does come in the case, because I can just hear them. I don't like the case. See, they are chromoly. Look at that, chromoly, 50 bucks for a set, 1.5 down to 3/8 inch. I mean, that's a steal right there. And I did talk to Tooltopia. These are made in Taiwan. All of them have part numbers on there. I'm sure those are individual part numbers. Yep, individual part numbers. See, this was S121, S121, 1716 FS, 112 FS. So this is 1 7/16 inch. This one's 1.5. They are just laser etched. There's no indenting on there. They're laser etched on both sides. I mean, if you can read the part number, you know what size that socket is. But it is very big, high visibility. Okay, so it does come in a blow molded case. The sockets do fit in there. If you were going to actually use this blow molded case, I suggest you put some kind of foam on the top of this to try to keep these guys in here, because they don't want to stay in there. You might actually drill some holes in here and pump it up with some foam. Put some of that expanding foam in there. Do it a little bit at a time though. You don't want to go all crazy. But yeah, because this whole thing is sunk down in the middle. So case, meh. The sockets, you know, it looks pretty good right there. They do have the half round in the corner, so it's more the wall of the socket on the face of the nut or bolt. You know, flank drive. I would imagine these working fairly well. Yeah, we'll throw them on the old 1/2 inch gun and give them a whirl. See how they test out for, you know, an extended period of time. Set just called to me. I had to buy it. Look at there. It says Knox Tools right on it. I don't even have to write my name on these. It's already on there. It's awesome. I'll leave a link right to these. I think they have like 4 sets now. They have the shallow SAE, they have the shallow metric, they have the deep SAE, and they have the deep metric, all 1/2 inch, I believe. I don't remember seeing a 3/8 set on there, because if there would have been a 3/8 set, I would have got the 3/8 metric set deep and used them, because those would be in almost continuous service. Good stuff over there at Tooltopia. I don't think they sell these on Amazon. If I find them on Amazon, I'll put them in there. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties, because they never fit. No, I didn't do bad that time. Maybe it was all just UPS. Of course I didn't really muck it all to hell.